wanted to teach you a little bit about some sitting positions. The one we're going to cover right now is called the half bent sit, and it's a really good exercise for subtly encouraging hip motion and also trunk control. And I'll show you a couple little variations with some things so you can kind of spice it up a little bit. Okay, so essentially what you're going to do, half bent sit is, if I show you from the side, what you want to do is you want to take, you're up in a nice tall sitting position, and then you're going to bend one leg. So essentially it's the true sit, like I'm sitting tall. This position makes you want to fall into a flexed position. That's exactly what you don't want to do. To keep this up, you keep your chest up tall, you have to engage your trunk, and then the leg, depending on how much knee, hip flexion you have and how much knee bend, the closer you can kind of get the heel towards your rear end. But essentially, for this practical today, we're just going to put the foot next to the knee. And you're just going to maintain sitting position just like this. This is called a half bent sit. It could be left leg's bent, or it could be right leg bent. You're sitting here. If you need to make it easier, you can post and hold, put a hand, one hand, or even two hands behind you, where you sort of hold yourself up. So if it's hard for you to maintain this, and a lot of times in the beginning it will be, you want to just hold yourself up, hold good position, maintain here. This will start to loosen up your hips, and it starts to give you some trunk control. Okay, so you can practice going back and forth. So half bent sit with arm posting.